Well guys, episode 10, we're finally here. And guess what? We're test driving the Hawk today. So let's hop into it. I think it's test drive time. I need to run up and put some gas in it. And if all goes well in that short little trip, then I'll take it a little farther and see how it does. Let's get to it. Alright, the fuel up was successful, although I'm now seeing an issue. It doesn't look like my gas gauge works anymore, so it may have cut some wiring that I needed. Gonna have to get that sorted, but I'll put some miles on it. Alright guys, I've been driving this a little bit and man, I'm impressed already. It drives so nice, so smooth, no issues with it yet. It's amazing to drive. It's so quiet, it's so much smoother. I'm thoroughly impressed, and there's still a lot of work that needs to be done to make it quieter and to button things up. I mean, if you look, I've still got, you can see the front tire right there. I've still got holes there. You can't really see in there, but the top of the firewall is still not connected, so it's straight into the engine bay. There's no sound deadener. It's just a steel floor. The headliner's not in it, but it is already so much quieter. I gotta say, I'm extremely impressed. I knew it'd be better, but I didn't think it would be this good. It rides really well. It's still a bit rough, but there's no bed on it. There's no weight in the back, so it's gonna ride a little bit rough in the back. Let's keep driving a little bit more. We're doing 70 miles an hour right now, and this thing is, oh, it's smooth as silk. And the tires aren't balanced at all. It's not having alignment. It's so smooth. It drives real tight. The steering's real tight. I'll take my hand off the steering wheel. Let me get past this bridge. Take my hand off the steering wheel, and it's tracking straight, and that's without an alignment. Steering wheel's straight. Man, this thing drives good. I'm excited to get it all buttoned up. Well guys, this is the exact spot that not even 3 months ago. So on July 4th is when I started videoing episode 1 for the Hawk project. And it's now September 29th. So not even 3 months ago is when I started this kind of whole project. Now obviously it's not done yet, but in 3 months the Hawk has been completely cut apart and redone. I gotta say, it went a whole lot quicker than I anticipated. Thank you guys for watching the Hawk project. That's a wrap on this episode, episode 10. Can't believe episode 10 is already in the books. It's been 3 months since episode 1, and it's come a long way. But as always guys, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to share, comment, and put any questions you have down below. And I'd appreciate it if you guys subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching.